If you want to remove a payment method from your Deliveroo account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app or website to manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app or website. Launch the Deliveroo app on your mobile device or visit the Deliveroo website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located at the bottom right corner. On the website, look for your account name or profile icon at the top right corner and click on it. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. Once in your account settings, find and select the Payment Methods or Payment option. This section will display all the payment methods currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Browse through your listed payment methods and choose the one you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete this payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the payment method, confirm that you want to remove it. You may need to follow prompts to finalize the removal process. Once you have completed these steps, your selected payment method will be removed from your Deliveroo account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo's customer support for assistance.